Welcome to Montavilla's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
This is one of our favorite traditions because it gives us a chance to celebrate the best sewing community anywhere, you.
Let's talk about giveaways, because this year we're going to give away about $3,000 worth of prizes to show just how much we appreciate you.
And entering is super easy. Every day you shop at Montavilla Sewing through December 20th, you have an entry to win the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
And the giveaways start on December 8th, so let's get shopping.
Go to montavillasewing.com/12 days.
Merry Christmas.
And happy sewing.
Welcome to day 4 of Montavilla Sewing 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Today, we're here again at our Lake Oswego location.
And we're excited to feature two incredible values from Brother, the PS500 and the 3550.
These are solid, dependable machines with features that make sewing easier and more fun without breaking a budget.
And today's giveaway is going to be a $100 Montavilla gift certificate, perfect for accessories, fabric, classes, or just a stocking stuffer.
And helping us explore these Brother machines today is Tierney, who really has taken a liking to them.
So let's head inside and get started with day 4. Now today on day 4, we bring to you Tierney. Now Tierney is also at our Lake Oswego store. And well, you've been here just a short while, right?
Yeah, just a month.
Wow. And today you're going to talk to us about a brand that you've come to fall in love with. And what is this?
This is the Brother brand of sewing machines. So we have the PS500 here and then the NQ3550.
Wow, what do you like about this PS500? Because I really like this machine too.
Yeah, I do too. It's really intuitive to use. You have a lot of light. The threader is fantastic.
It's so easy.
It's super easy. And it's a great price too. So it's very accessible to get into sewing.
Yeah, I always find that when you have something that's really easy to use, but good quality, it just makes it so easy to obtain. Like, and it's a machine that's well under $1,000. So it's a good, solid machine, and it's really easy to use. So Tierney, you now started sewing. What was one of the first projects you made on one of these lovely machines?
Well, I was able to make a lovely apron, which we have here behind me. Cut out the pattern with the help of Arena. She's fabulous, and was able to do all the stitching, some decorative stitching on the bottom, some nice loops on the edge, pockets even, and it's a beautiful apron with a lovely canvas. So it was a very proud moment because I'm such a beginner sewer, and I'm really happy with how it turned out.
That's great. And you did these on the Brother PS500.
Yeah, this was with the Brother PS500. Really, really simple to use, and I needed like really minimal instructions, so it was a great experience.
This machine here, now what's this one here? This is which model is this?
This one's our 3550 with Brother, and you can do sewing and embroidery on this. It's great for beginners because you not only have the option to do a 4x4, but you can do all the way up to a 6x10 embroidery too. You
probably don't know this, but it wasn't that long ago when 6x10 was the largest we could do for embroidery in the industry. And it seems like yesterday to me. It was probably 15 years ago, but it just doesn't seem like that long ago, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a good deal. I like the screen because it's color touchscreen, so it makes it easy to use and easy to manipulate things on there.
Definitely, yeah.
Another thing I really like about this is that Brother has right now a $400 instant rebate on this machine through the end of the year, which makes it very affordable, very easy to do. So
definitely.
Now, we have a little thing going on right now where you have to now choose for us our code word.
Oh.
So first of all, do you have a favorite Christmas memory?
Favorite Christmas memory? You know, my family loves to get ice cream during the winter.
Okay.
And so we would always go and get a scoop at our local spot. And I grew up on the East Coast, so it was usually a lot colder than it is here.
Okay.
So that was kind of a fun experience. So we were really, I would say, like very spirited to go out there in the cold. So my word would be spirit.
Spirit?
Yeah.
Okay. The code word for day 4 is spirit. Thank you so much, Tierney. Appreciate you coming.
Thank you.
That wraps up day 4. Huge thank you to Tierney for showing us the Brother PS500 and 3550. Two seriously great valued machines.
The machines are smooth and reliable, unlike my eyesight.
They're perfect for beginners or anyone upgrading without breaking the bank.
And don't forget, today's giveaway is a $100 Montavilla Sewing Center's gift certificate.
Do you know what you can get for $100 at Montavilla? Thread.
Rotary blades make you feel invincible for at least 6 months.
Or bobbins, like, a respectable pile.
Or classes, you can become dangerous with knowledge.
I think they get the point.
See you tomorrow for day 5 with more machines and giveaways.